Hey everybody, welcome to Alio's world. This is about cleaning my ears out. Y'all know what a water pick is? It's like, you know, let me get it plugged in here. Hang on, I got my other thing plugged in. But this is for, I couldn't believe it one time I was at the doctor because, yeah, that shoots a strong stream out of there. And I got warm, soapy water in there. And the reason I feel safe to do it was about 30 years ago. My ears was so clogged up I couldn't hear, and I was using peroxide, the earwax removal stuff from the drugstore, burning those candle funnels on my ear. Doing everything, and could not get this stuff out. So I went to the doctor, and he says, "No problem. Come over here and lay your head over the sink." And he got out the water pick. I was like, "No, no, 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 no. No, don't worry about it." He said, "Don't worry about it. It's this is perfectly safe." I told someone a couple days ago that he had done that, and that I do this for myself now once every year or two because it builds up. And I remember the doctor saying that some people, and they don't know why, but they have certain bacteria down in their ear channel or something, and those things grow more wax, and it'll form these raisin size things down in your ears, and the water pick will blow those out. Now sometimes it'll blow it out in little parts and pieces, and sometimes you actually get the whole raisin looking thing. And it's really disgusting. It's really disgusting looking. That's why I thought you'd like this. So, but my friend the other day I was at a dinner and telling people that I need to do this again. And the guy said, "No, no, no, no." He said, that guy was a doctor and he knew exactly where to point that thing so it won't blow your eardrum out. And I told him, "No, no, no, no." That doctor, he had no problem laying my head down over that sink and doing this thing. And he had moved that thing around this way and that. And every now and then it would get to where you could feel it down there in deep, like poof, 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 poof. It's like a jackhammer down in your head, but you can actually feel the chamber down in there, like expanding and contracting with each little pulse, like toot, 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 like that. And it kind of stings, on a lot of the areas. It's not my favorite thing to do. I really don't like doing this, but just because of the stinging. And I don't get the water real hot, just warm. And I squirted a little bit of this, it was like a natural soap down in there. A couple days ago, I did it on my right ear and blew out just a bunch of stuff. I got it all out. I'm hearing a lot better. I noticed I could hear my little clock ticking out of one ear, and if I turned my head the other way, I couldn't hear very much of the clock. And I was like, "Oh no, it's time to clean my ears again." So anyway, I doubt you'll ever see anybody do this other than here in Alio's world. But it helps you here and keeps you from the doctors. And I don't know, you can ask your doctor about it. Maybe you can research it. I haven't really researched it to find out, what it says on the internet about using a water pick to clean your ears. But like I said, that doctor, he just smiled, had no problem with doing this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold this thing in my left hand. I'm going to move my little water pick machine over to this side so I can control the speed of the power of this thing with my right hand. And I'll use my left hand to hold this thing and push the button down into my ear. And we'll see what we can get here. I'm going to start on low. You got to start on low to kind of get used to what you're doing. And then I'll crank it up to, like 4, and then I'll crank it up to about 6. And I don't like to go all the way up the top. I don't know if he did or not, but usually at about halfway up on this thing, I get enough. That's when stuff starts happening. Sometimes it'll happen and sometimes it don't. I did my right ear and it came out really well. I didn't get much out of my left ear the other day, but I thought, well, maybe that stuff got down in there, under there, soften it up a little bit. Maybe there's not a whole lot in there, and that's why I didn't get a lot out. I don't know, but I'm going to give it a shot here, so get ready. Get ready, Alio. Okay, it's not my favorite thing in the world, but here we go. Down on low, and here we go. Woo-wee. Yeah, oh baby. Yeah, they said, well, the doctor, he knows right where to aim it. And I'm like, no, he was kind of moving it around. Oh, there I can hear the pulse a little deeper. Yeah, okay, I'm going to give it a little more volume. Gonna ramp it up. I'm up full volume. There, I've run out of soapy water, but we're going to get a little more. That's kind of cool. I'm going to warm up a little bit. Yeah, I think it's really important to let it get warm. Okay, now we're getting some warm. I don't want to get very warm. I don't want to get it, super hot. I don't want to like suffering that pain along with the impact. There's a couple squirts of that soap in there. Yeah, don't you just love it? Don't you just love it? Okay. I'll just take that off of there. All right, there we go. Carry on. I'll turn it back down and start low and work my way up again. Here we go. Come on. Yeah. There it goes. All right. I know that stuff down in there. Come on, I know you're in there. Well, they're full volume. Wow. Ah, woo, that was 2 loads. Oh golly. Okay, I'm gonna try one more load. That's gonna do it. I'll tell you what, that either means there's nothing in there, or maybe I'll come back and let that what's down in there soak, you know. And okay, that's warm. Phew, man, I tell you, it's a workout, but I don't like going to doctors, man. You know, I mean, if my ear's cut off or something, I'll go and let them sew it back on. But I just got a thing about that. A lot of different little reasons. Okay, we'll turn it down a little bit, get it going. Yeah, here it comes. All right. Well, woo. I'll tell you, I was thinking maybe like three's a charm and we get a big raisin out of there. You know, I'll have to show you a picture of those raisins that I got out of my ear before. Man, oh, it's right there. I can feel it. Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go again. Shoot, I could feel it right there. It was like just ready to come out of there. I could feel it with my fingers. Okay. All right. Yeah. Oh, heck with that thing. What am I doing? I gotta get the horse before the cart. The little parts, I don't use them on my teeth. I do other things for my teeth. We'll talk about that someday. Okay, baby. This is it. Turn it down some. Ooh, that's cold. Mm. Whoa. Whew. Well, there's one little tiny piece of stuff there, but usually, I mean, there would be gobs of it. And I don't know if I can. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, you're going to love this. Look at that shit. Oh my God. That was. Oh. There's that big knot. Oh my God. What the? Oh, look at that. Ah! Oh, yeah. Praise the Lord. Whew. Wow. Okay. That's got to be all of it. Jeez. Oh, I'm glad. I'll tell you. Yeah. Ah.